What's going on, guys? This is Bradley Friedman, or Sirix, from the Your SIRI development team and Vortex dev team. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a complete SIRI port with the 5.1.1 untethered jailbreak. Set it up completely with a server, with our personal Java-based SIRI server, along with getting activated, putting in the proxy URL, and everything else that you might have questions about. So let's get started. Alright, so if you haven't guessed, you're going to need a jailbroken device. So if you're going to need to be running iOS 5.1.1, which you can see my iPod Touch is running. So you can download the Absinthe jailbreak 5.1.1 from greenpoison.com. You can also jailbreak with Red Snow, the latest version. I'm not sure what the build number is, but you can get that from the iPhone dev team's blog. So this is a really simple tool. All you got to do is click the button that says jailbreak. So you click it, and it'll start running. So I'm going to let that run, and I'll come back to you guys when it's done. So that's finishing up. It's going to reboot once, and you don't have to do any kind of, you don't have to hold any buttons, you don't have to go into DFE mode, any of that stuff. You just click jailbreak. So you can hear my iPod just booted back up. So the next step we're going to have to do is making an account on our forum. So now that that's complete, let's head over to our forum and we can make an account. So if you head over to yoursiri.com, don't worry, the link will be in the description. You click forums, and you sign up here. You click register. So I already have an account, so we just log out. We register, you accept the terms of the agreement. And then you just create your username. So just whatever you want. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to log right back into mine. So you log in, and what you have to do is you have to purchase SIRI. So I know you guys are thinking, oh, it's not free. It's $15. You can activate 3 devices under your account. So you and 2 friends, 2 of your devices, so your iPhone and your iPad, and then a friend, whatever you want to do. It's completely worth it. The server is Java based. We wrote it from scratch in Java. We have never had any problems with the server going down. The only times it's ever gone down was when we were updating it. So we take pride in that, and it's totally worth it. It's just as fast, if not faster, than Apple's actual SIRI server. I'll show you guys that in a minute. So the next step we're going to have to do is we're going to have to actually port SIRI to your iPhone or iPod Touch. So if it's the first time you're opening Cydia, you're going to have to wait for it to prepare the file system. So it'll do that for a minute or 2, and then your device will respring, and then we'll get right back to it. Alright, so now that we're fully jailbroken and Cydia has finished preparing the file system, we're just going to register as a user. And this is really important. To be able to download the port, you want to go to Manage, Sources, Edit, Add. You want to add your SIRI.myrepospace.com. So don't worry if you can't see that, everything's going to be in the description. So you add the source, you can download all the packages, and then the next step is going to be installing the actual port. So now that we've got the repo added, we're just going to return to Cydia. We're going to your SIRI. you want to install the package SIRI port iOS 5.1.x. So this is just going to port a full functioning SIRI port to your device. If you have an iPhone 4S and you want to donate your keys to us, you can install your 4S proxy. This will just allow you to connect to our server. So if you're using anything besides a 4S, you want to install SIRI port. So you just hit install, confirm, and this is a really big package. So there's a lot of files, so you have to, if you have slow internet, you have to give it 15 to 30 minutes, maybe more. I have fast internet, so it's only going to take me like 5 or 10 minutes, but for those of you who have a lower speed connection, you really have to be patient. Don't worry, it's not going to get stuck, it's going to finish, just give it time. So I'll come back to you guys when that's ready. So once the port's done installing, you're just going to reboot, and once it's done rebooting, you should have a full SIRI port. So once your device is back up and running, you're just going to go to Settings, General, and you should have a new panel that says SIRI. So if it's not, you're going to enable it. You can choose your info, so that's how you can tell her what to call you and all that stuff. And then if you go down into your settings, you're going to have another new panel called Your SIRI. Tap that, and you're going to put in this URL. It's going to be http://yoursiri.algofree.org:666. If you can't see it, don't worry, it's going to be in the description. So once that's in there, this is going to be the only part that anyone might have trouble with. You're going to go on your device, not on your computer. You're going to go back to our website. So yoursiri.org or yoursiri.com, and you're going to go to the forum. You're going to log in. So once you've logged in, you're just going to hit the link up in the top left corner that says forum, and you're going to click this link. This is really important. You're going to click the link that says activate device. You will not be able to do this if you haven't purchased SIRI yet. So you click activate device, and you'll get a message that says activation request added. So you're going to have to wait a minute or two, and then after a little bit, you should be able to use SIRI. Once your activation is complete, you just want to hold down the home button and say hello. Hello, Siri.
Hello.
How are you?
I am well.
So there you go. Set a timer for 3 minutes.
Your timer is set for 3 minutes.
Cancel the timer.
Okay, I've canceled the timer.
Thank you, Siri.
Your satisfaction is all the thanks I need.
So there you go. That's how you get a complete working SIRI port on your iOS 5.1.1 non-4S device.
This dream